Hello everyone, and welcome back, Johnny. This is a short video of some of the headcam footage you had on your GoPro. Let's walk down memory lane together, shall we? I'm here enjoying the view, soaking it all up, and witnessing the glory of nature. And my buddy Rick over there was just not having it. He was,
Come on, Johnny boy, we got a place to go. Hurry your ass up.
and I was like, damn, Rick, give me a moment to enjoy this, man. It's not often I come to Canada and go backpacking. Man was on a mission.
Somebody sucks. Huh? Yeah, I'll get away. I got waterproof shoes. Uh-oh.
Get ready for the thunderous sounds of this amazing waterfall Rick showed me. After that giant waterfall, I found a pretty cool walkway. I really liked it. so glad I met Rick and Terry in my travels. I appreciate all that they've done for me. And boy, do I miss them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.